Welcome back. You can add audio to your slide, and you can do that by adding an existing audio that you already have on your personal computer, or you can record the audio in PowerPoint. You would go to the Insert command. You're going to see all the way to the right side that there's a panel for audio. You're going to click the down arrow or get the audio from your computer. We can then add this audio to our presentation. And when the individual opens the presentation, we can make it so that this audio will actually play. What you'll notice is that when our cursor highlights the audio, we have an audio menu. And we can make it so that the audio plays in the background, and it'll hide during the show, or we can make it visible. We can make it start automatically, or we can have it so that it starts in some kind of sequence. We can determine the volume of the clip. And we can have the clip fade in or fade out. If we want to edit the audio before it goes in, we can edit the audio here where it says Trim Audio. We can then delete the audio if we don't like it. We can then go back to the Insert command. We can then go to the Audio command. This time we're going to record the audio. And what we're going to do is we're going to give this audio a name. And then we can click the Record button. Now is the time for all good men to come to the aid of their country. Now is the time for all good men to come to the aid of their country. Now you're going to want to play your audio. Now is the time for all good men to come to the aid of their country. You're going to want to stop it. You're then going to want to click OK. You're then going to see your audio on your page, and you can move it to this area. But again, you are going to have access to the audio menu. And what we can do is we can then make it so that this audio can be hidden during the show. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.